Hi there, I'm Alex. I'm the CEO of 3D Brothers, founded in Romania, and we're focused on developing software and hardware to improve workflows. In January 2019, we started prototyping a new project called Megacellcharger. We built a 4-cell testing prototype and started programming functionalities on it to get a better sense of what we're after. After 2 months, we've got it at a decent stage, so we decided to ask the community what they believed about this idea. This is how the printed circuit board with 16 cells looked like. I've designed a 3D case and printed it to keep the device cool during the discharge process. This is how the first version of the Megacellcharger looked like. I've set up a website and started a pre-order campaign with a goal set to reach a minimum of 50 pre-orders to begin producing a small series of the Megacellcharger. The main advantage of this solution is the live connection to a computer to send commands and read data about the performed tests, allowing the user to be more productive and scale the testing process much faster this way. The community's response was excellent and we reached our goal within a few days. Within 2 months, we got the boards produced and we chose to 3D print the cases in-house to keep the costs low. Since then, we have gone through 5 batches of pre-orders, already delivered 4 of them, and the 5th one is due to be sent within a few days from now. The goal so far was to put this device in the hand of people to get it field tested so we can improve the software and fix the bugs that we had. And we had quite some problems to solve in the early stage. I want to say thank you for their patience and for the valuable effort they provided to those who trusted us and got the first batches to help improve the software and make Megacellcharger a reliable solution for testing 18650 cell type. While we've gone through 5 batches so far, selling more than 450 units in total, our process remained the same: 3D printing the cases and assembling them on the PCBs, testing and packing for shipping by ourselves. 3D printing is great for prototyping, but you cannot use it for quality mass production. We have expanded our team during the testing phase, partnering up with Martin, who's a brilliant software developer. And by doing this, it gave me more time to design and focus on solutions for the mass production step. My colleague Mihai worked on improving the new PCB design, installing new battery slots that allow a full plastic case to wrap around the hardware, and a few other minor changes. Here are a few shots of the new design. I took the time to 3D print and fully assemble the new version to make sure everything fits in properly before sending it to the factory. Here's the list of features that we've got into the Megacellcharger so far. It has a capacity of 16 cells. It allows independent charging and discharging. You can set the discharge rate between 100 and 1000 mAh. It charges with up to 1 amp per cell with a specialized chip to ensure a proper and safe charging. It detects low voltage cells starting from 1 volt and attempts a slow recovery. We have implemented a workflow that allows setting multiple charge-discharge cycles and charging back to a voltage that's safe for storing or transportation, to comply with the newest DOT and IATA regulations. There's software available for desktop, iOS and Android to manage the device. It can save the data resulted from the tests in a database, and you can later use that when calculating balanced packs. You can have multiple devices connected to the software. You have graphs for charging, discharging, and temperature variations. Temperature sensors for each cells and the ability to automatically stop a process per cell in case temperature goes over the set threshold. Being able to monitor the cell temperature continuously and accurately has been a key feature added to improve the safety of the testing process. We have low noise 50mm cooling fans with individual radiators to safely dissipate the heat resulting from the discharging process. The software is integrated with Dyno 450 label printing, speeding up the workflow for tagging your cells. Using our programming and hardware development experience help us to quickly get a great product together that helps testing cells much faster than using regular solutions. But we need your help now to get this project to mass production, which includes proper assembly line, quality testing and packing. We must reach $34,000 worth of orders or above to get a good deal from the factory. And for the plastic injection molds that will allow creating a high quality case for the hardware. The actual minimum amount the factory asked for is $39,000, but I managed to put aside $5,000 from the orders that we got so far, and will use that to reinvest into the Megacellcharger project because I believe in it. For me, this project is more than a product that I can produce and sell for a profit. It represents a way to improve a process that has the potential to save lots of wasted materials and resources used to manufacture these batteries. I'm not a prominent environmental activist, but if I see a way to improve things and I can help with that, I go for it. The way I see it is that if the testing process is fast and straightforward, more and more people will begin testing these cells, giving them a second life and lowering the demand for producing new ones. To make this project even more environmental helpful, I have decided with my team to work on a solution that will allow us to plant a tree for each Megacellcharger that we sell. We already come up with a plan to build a planting tree device that uses electric power, and I think it will be much fun to create. We'll share the plans for the device soon. We already begin on making this happen, so keep an eye open for that. For each Megacellcharger sold and for each pledge over $5, we're going to plant a tree. I hope you'll find this idea as exciting as we did and that you can help us making it happen. If you cannot afford to purchase an item, sharing this page and the video is another way you can help us to reach our goal. If you are interested in supporting this project, you can choose a reward from the right side of this page or go to Megacellcharger.com if you happen to watch this video in a different place. Pre-ordering the old version is no longer available. Supporting this campaign will allow you being between the first to get the new version of the Megacellcharger. On the right side of the page, you will find all the rewards that we thought it will make sense for you. If you happen to need a different type of reward, like getting us to install these chargers in a facility or doing a live call to explain how the system works, feel free to reach me at alex@megacellcharger.com and we will find a way to help you out. Thank you for your time and I wish you all the best in life. Alex.